NASDAQ this week has risen in value, and we can see the price is rising in value for several days, and a week before that was starting this rising, and we can see the week started with this indecision candle where the price managed to make a bullish breakout only on Wednesday. The price continued to rise in value, reaching 19891, a resistance level, but the price did not stop here. Formed on the Friday a bullish candle that has made a breakout above this area of resistance and stop it on the next one on the daily 20152. Weekly time frame shows me that we have a bullish breakout on the weekly time frame. It is continuation of the previous week, a bullish engulfing candle, which is suggesting further rise in value because of the bullish strength here. And we can see this bearish scenario that has lasted for several weeks has been cancelled, and currently where the price is, it is inside this range area, which needs to be confirmed into bullish scenario after the price makes a bullish breakout above this 2974 resistance level. Monthly time frame shows me that we have a bullish pin bar formed in the previous months, that this bullish pin bar is suggesting further rise in value. So we'll see how the thing will be in the next several weeks until this month closes, because it is very important month for the NASDAQ. Currently, it is showing me that there is a high probability that the price will rise in value. We can see the month has just started, so we'll see how the price will behave around this area of resistance, and especially this one here, 2974, which is a very important one currently for the price. If the price makes a bullish breakout, it will be continuation of the bullish scenario that has lasted for several months. We can see that here. Now let's see for the next week what we can expect. Currently it is a bullish breakout that needs to be confirmed the next week, which means the price should not return below this area of support 19891. The daily time frame shows me also a bullish scenario, and it is a bullish breakout above 19891.23. So there is a probability that the price on a Monday returns back down just to confirm this previous resistance. It will now act as a support and then moving further up. We will see what happens on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame, because it shows us much more clear information. We can see it was here a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, targeting the next one resistance level, which was also a profitable trade, and that was here a bullish scenario. Currently what I can see, it is also bullish scenario continuation. Shows me that there is a probability that the price bounce from this area of resistance, but we will see what happens on a Monday. It is very important to see how the Monday will open, because there is always a potential gap between the prices that could open, and also that could also show some kind of indecision on the market between the buyers and the sellers. So we'll need to pay attention on a Monday when the market opens. So it is better to wait to calm the market during the day to see how the markets will behave, but currently the NASDAQ looks more bullish than it is bearish. If you would like to receive the bullish and bearish breakouts updates during the week, feel free to check the premium analysis below in the description. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.